Hey everybody, if you hadn't noticed, it's just a little chilly outside. So I'm gonna recommend to you that you stay inside with some hot tea or hot cocoa and shop online. And I guess if I was gonna tell you where to go to shop online, it would be, well, shopharem.com, of course, because we have great new pieces online. And if you use the code FROZEN, yes, that's FROZEN, you will get 30% off your entire purchase, which means you could get some awesome things like this beautiful jewelry over here. We have mask chains. We have a whole new line of jewelry that is our own private label, earrings, bracelets, necklaces. So many beautiful things. I love these. I love to stack these. All 30% off. Also, how about a whole new outfit? Because you're at home in your pajamas and you're thinking, I need to up my game. Yes, you do. First of all, it's going to be spring soon, and we are crushing on this red windbreaker. I love this so much. So pretty, perfect. It's waterproof. Love that for the springtime. Brand new, I'm going to show you this t-shirt from Nation. I love this with the little puff sleeve. Isn't that pretty? A little v-neck. You can wear that on through like even sometimes June. Who knows when it's going to warm up, but it will, I promise. White jean. If you don't have one or you don't have a new one, you need a white jean. It is the staple for your wardrobe and you can wear it now. These are all available online. Don't worry if we don't have your size, you can still order it and we will get it for you. 30% off with the code FROZEN. This is now through the weekend, so don't bother coming out. Shop with us online at shopharem.com. Use the code FROZEN, save 30% off, and we will ship it to your nice warm house.